Hey there, Zac. My name is Ali. I'm Efron says on Twitter. You're such an amazing person that you're my idol, that I've been following you since, I don't know, it's been 7 years, 6 years, and I want to thank you and your team because you're following me on Twitter, and that's the closest I have ever been to you, and it feels so amazing. That I just want to say that I hope you enjoy the video, and we love you so much.
Thanks, Zac, for everything. All the movies are amazing and we all love you. Since you're always supporting us, we thought we'd support you for a change. Thanks.
Hello, Zac Efron. You are on my shirt. And my username on Twitter is HummerGirl29 and my real name is Maria. I am part of your fan base and I love it. And I especially love it when you do those live chats. And on Twitter we have been trending stuff like crazy for you. So as a reward, we'd like you to do a twit cam on your next live chat. Thanks for listening. I love you.
Hi, my name is Miriam. I'm 16, almost 17, and I'm desperately, hopelessly infatuated with Zac Efron. It's not just your looks, that smile, those beautiful blue eyes, or like your body, which is really great by the way, or anything like that that really makes me desperately in love with you. It's just that I've watched you growing up as a person and as an actor, and I know that you have a great heart. And I'm in love with that. I love how you used to think you didn't deserve your fans and that you didn't deserve the fame you've got, but you deserve it more than anything in the world. Like, you're so talented and you're so deserving and you're such a good person. I just want to say that I will never stop caring for you. I will always be a big fan of a Zattacker, a ninja, a sweetheart, you know. And I hope you follow me at Zephram forever, you know, Zephron and Miriam forever. I love you, Zac. I really do.
Hey Zac, I just want to say thank you for being such an amazing actor and just an amazing guy in general. I just want to let you know that I'm a huge fan. I have been since the beginning and I always will be, and just that I love you and I hope that one day I can meet you, because that would be like a dream come true for me in a non-creepy way. Hope you enjoy the video.
Hey Zac, this is Stephanie from New Jersey, and I just want to say I'm a huge fan. Thank you for being so nice to your fans, and I love you always. And my Twitter is team_Zac Efron. We love you, Zac.
There's just one thing I want to say, and that's that I really love you.
I love you, Zac Efron, and there hasn't been a movie that I've seen or a show that you've guest starred in that hasn't been good. And I'm so proud of all of your success, and I hope to meet you one day, but keep strutting your swag.
A stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, oh why, does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, oh why, does he do do me that way? Tell him that it's human nature.
Oh, so it's my 6-year-old dachshund, and she's got something she'd like to say. Are you a Zac fan? Are you a Zac fan? Are you? Is he hot?